Welcome to Way to Herbal. In this video, we are going to introduce to one of the best brand of Ayurvedic medicines, Way to Herbal. Brand story of Way to Herbal. Way to Herbal is one of the top Ayurvedic company which is GMP certified Ayurvedic company in India. It is one of the top Ayurvedic brands in India which offers more than 200 best Ayurvedic products. Along with it, Way to Herbal is one of the big Ayurvedic medicine store where they sell Ayurvedic medicines online. If you are looking for Ayurvedic herbal medicines, then Way to Herbal is the best site for online Ayurvedic medicines. Way to Herbal offers a wide range of Ayurvedic supplements which include herbal and organic products. We have our own experienced R&D team which is offering unique researched formulation and also offers wide range of Ayurvedic medicines for various health problems. Way to Herbal offers various unique product categories to provide maximum health benefits to their loyal customers. Ayurvedic herbal powders or organic powders. Way to Herbal offers a wide range of Ayurvedic herbal powders online. If you are looking for quality herbal powders for home remedies, then Way to Herbal's Ayurvedic powder is the best choice. We have more than 40 types of Ayurvedic herbal powders that are prepared using pure quality raw and dried herbs. We also have premium quality organic powders which are US FDA certified to provide maximum benefits to the customers. Green food supplements. Way to Herbal have a wide range of green food supplements that are designed to fulfill your daily nutritional needs. We also have a super green formula which is a combination of wheat grass, alfalfa leaves, barley grass, spirulina, flax seeds, sesame seeds, sunflower seeds and other herbs to offer maximum health benefits. Herbal Ayurvedic formulation. Our experienced R&D team has done immense research and has come up with a novel Ayurvedic formulation. These Ayurvedic formulations are a combination of various herbs which are suitable for particular health problems. In this formulation, we have two types. First is medicated cow ghee formulation. In these formulations, we have used pure A2 cow ghee using herbal blend to offer maximum benefits. Second is Ayurvedic formulation with natural bioenhancers. In these formulations, we have used natural bioenhancers such as leaves, triphala, fruits, etc. along with the herbal blend to enhance the effectiveness. Herbal Ayurvedic single herb. This is another effective category of Ayurvedic medicine. The name itself suggests that the only one herb has been utilized to prepare these single herbal supplements. In these supplements, herbal powder and its extract is combined to form a tablet or a capsule form, as extract has the concentrated amount of active agents. And these active agents helps to improve the effectivity of any single herbal supplement. Herbal tea. Herbal tea is a novel concept of Way to Herbal. We have combined various herbs and added them in these tea tablets to offer various health benefits. You just have to add one herbal tea tablet in a glass of hot water, stir well and your herbal tea is ready. The main benefit is that these herbal tea tablets are 100% sugar free. Thus, even diabetic patients can consume them very easily. It is a great replacement for regular tea. Natural personal care. Way to Herbal have a wide range of personal care which includes hair care and skin care products. All these skin care products and hair care products are paraben free and chemical free. Instead, they are made using ancient Ayurvedic herbs. All these personal care products have no side effects and are suitable for all skin types. Visit the shop to buy all these products online. Best Ayurvedic products are just one click away. Visit now, waytoherbal.com.